Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be talking about a special kind of option called currency versus accounting. So I'll tell you both the options. For example, see this is our data. So we have 1200, 0, minus 300.5, 16,579.99. So if imagine these are the data, which is nothing but these are the amount that has been generated in our business. So we don't want to represent them as it is. So we want to change it in terms of currency. So what you can do, you can just go here in the general section, and if you just click on this drop down, you'll get an options. You'll get many options, in fact. So you can choose one of them. So this is a way, or you can also do it by clicking this arrow. Then automatically the number group would get expanded. Then after that you can directly choose currency here. Okay, or else you can also do it in another way, like you can just press control 1. Then automatically a window of format cells would get pop up, or else you can also right click and here go to this format cells. So likewise also you can choose whatever way you want. For example, I want to modify it in terms of currency, so you can just select currency here, and here by default it has some rupees number, Indian rupees. But if you want to change it to the Canadian dollars, so you can just choose Canadian dollar, and if you press OK, then automatically the entire data would be replaced with the dollars. Okay, so now this has become the currency here, and also it has many options. For example, press control 1, and here in the currency itself you can choose up to how many decimals do you want. For example, I have placed initially by defaultly 2 decimal places, and if you want 0 decimal places, you can give 0 here and press OK. Then automatically these numbers would get rounded, and there will be no decimals present here. And just press control 1 again. And if you want to see few of the customizations here in terms of currency, so you can just click on this custom. Here you have so many options. For example, I'll tell you how to do that. For example, see here this is a negative value, minus 25.6. I want to uh, present this in forms of currency. So how can I do? Control 1, choose currency here, and after that change it to the dollar symbol. After that select this thing that is red. Okay, in the sense it is negative, that's why it will be shown as in the red color. Okay, it will be shown in the red color just to indicate that it is in negative. Okay, if you just click OK, automatically it would get turn to red color. Okay, or else if you don't want this, so what you can do, maybe here we have 25.60. Okay, you want to present this in terms of currency, you can just control plus control 1, and just go to this custom here. Here you'll have many options, you can choose whatever you want. Maybe you can select whatever you want. For example, see here we have so many options. Let's see what happens. Maybe what if we get, what if we select this thing? Okay, it has become rupees. Okay, if you don't want that, just go to this, go to the custom section here. Maybe choose the another one. Just try it, just perform trial and error so that you can easily understand. So here just select each and every option that is present over here, and yeah, maybe this thing, I think. Yeah, so that's it. So likewise you can always play. And also now if you press control 1, here we also have an option called accounting. Okay, accounting. So here maybe you can choose the dollar symbol here. Okay, and if you just press custom, here you will have many options, so out of which you can easily choose whatever you want. For example, choose here. So many options are there. For example, I'm choosing maybe this. So press OK. See here, the minus has been uh, turned as red color, and minus has gone now. If it is in red color, you can easily understand that it is in negative. Okay. Or if you don't like this, and if you want to do some modification, just yes, you can do it always. For example, click this. Okay. So likewise, whatever you want, you can do it. So this is in terms of accounting here. Maybe you can click customize. See here, just scroll up. You have many options. For example, mm, maybe you can customize. I think you put minus here. If you press OK, okay. Mm, select this, maybe, or if you click OK. See, likewise, you can always play with it. You can just have trial and error. So these are all the things that you can do here. And here you will always be having some alignments which you can easily do. You can select the type, whether it may be left or center or alignment related to alignment, and you can also choose the font. You can also choose the color from it. You can always provide some border, like maybe outline or something. You can always do whatever you want here. If you click OK, automatically see the border has been present. So likewise, you can always perform many things. But here now I'll show you something. Yeah, this is our data. So now I want to project it in terms of currency. So how can we do that? Just go here or just click it. See, all the data has been in this Indian rupees, but we want that to be projected with dollars. So how can we do that? Just press dollar here. So all the data has been converted into dollars. So now after this thing, what we can also do is maybe this is the total data. So we want to separate it actually. So what we can do is control 1. And after that here, in terms of alignment, um, yeah, here in terms of underline, here it is present as none, but we can use whatever we want. For example, I'm choosing double. In the sense, I'll be having my data will be having this particular selected data will be having double underline. See, if I press OK, then automatically this will be having double underline. Okay. And now I want to select these columns, these cells, and just go here. Press Control 1. Again, select double underline. Okay. Now if you press OK, then see. So now this particular cell has become as total. Okay. So this, why am I keeping this double underline is in the sense just to make this data and this particular data separate. Okay. For that reason, I have selected this double underline. You can give single underline, whatever you want. Okay. You can just play with it data. So likewise, you always have an option of choosing from here. Okay. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Jahan.